Chris, get out, silly boy. You are unarmed, and Anthony, go with him. Ian, are you sure? I get a handle on this.
For God's sake, Chris, go. Now. Now. Chris, damn it. Obey your brothers. Be safe, and take good care of Chris. He is but a child.
Yeah, see you soon. Oh come on guys, this is not a funeral train. Why are the two of you pulling a wry face? Chris, you are free, and Ian, you even found a girl. Hey, are you shitting me? What has come over you? Oh well, this girl is pretty, and she set the sheriff on the wrong track, because of you. That maybe, and that was decent of her. But that's as far as it goes. She's nothing to me. Hey, I'm very worried. What are they going to do with Carol? After all, she shot her husband. Oh, she did. That's good news. This means that she's single, or more precisely, widowed. Don't worry Chris, we are coming for her, tomorrow. Right, Anthony? Oh, Carol is a dazzling woman. To be perfectly honest, I even made a move on her. Holy shit Chris, for real. Now you've really outdone yourself, in jail. Oh well, she dumped me. Hey, she did indeed. In the end we became friends, yet even best friends. Hey Chris, what's up? I need to pee. Badly. Oh I see, badly. Hey, do you need a hand, baby brother? Thanks a million, but I can do it by myself, douche. Yep, let's hope so. And hey, don't get lost, deep in the woods. My gosh, you are mean. Yeah, laughing my ass off. Oh, you've got a delightful sense of humor, dude, old man. Where the hell is he going? To the East Coast? I mean, what is he ashamed of? Guess he is pissed off. Thank heavens, that was close. For a bit longer and I would have peed myself. No matter how you jump, shake, and dance, the last few drops go in your pants. And no matter how much you shake your peg, the last few drops go down your leg. Done. I'm starting to worry. I mean, why does it take so long? No one's followed us, right? Oh hey, you know Chris. He's dancing and singing and rhyming while he's doing his business. This might take several minutes. Holy crap. What the hell? Why me of all people? Moreover, I asked him if he was in need of help, Ian. I'm pretty sure no one's followed us, but meanwhile I'm also a bit worried. I will have a look. Hush, someone's coming. For real, I just can't believe it, Ian. Holy crap. Oh hey, is everything alright, baby brother? I'm just saying because a woman with a knife is stuck on you. In the truest sense of the word, caution Anthony, this woman is in no laughing mood. She is serious. Really. A woman. A woman actually caught me while, hey, is she pretty? Oh yes, she's even very pretty. A pearl of beauty. Hey, fortunately. Alright, and what difference does it make? Gosh Chris, simply incorrigible. And what are we going to do now? No problem at all, I'm pretty sure we can negotiate terms. Oh, am I right, my beautiful lady? Hey, I'm bound to say, it ended nicely, big brother. Hey, is everything alright, baby bro? Oh, I hope she's dealing gently with you. Truth be told, I can't complain. You said that she's pretty and I can't get the idea out of my head. In a way, this idea keeps me alive. Chris, you need not fear. In the worst case, the tribe elder is going to kill us. Yeah, hey, that sounds fanciful. And in the best case, they are cutting off, well, you know. Oh come on, no way. Hey, I'm not buying it. Why would they do that? You haven't the faintest idea, dude. The fact is that we are in hot water. And after all, it's clearly your fault, Ian. Aha, my fault. And what gives you that idea? You were plain and simple not charming, and that's why she's so rigid, sure. My brother. Sorry. I must admit it might have helped if I would speak a word Native American language. I once knew a tribe leader. At least I was able to understand a smattering of their language back then. Oh well, it's been a long time. Aha, they've been expecting us. Please tell me that this is your friend of that time, by pure chance. No. Yeah, I thought as much. I may be wrong, but he is far from pleased. Yep, hopefully he's speaking English. If not, trouble is sure to follow. How should we explain? Calm down, Ian, please, it will work out all right. Oh well. That makes two of them. Three. Oh well guys, it was a great pleasure meeting you and meeting us. Hey, we are brothers, you know us all along. Yeah, whatever. It's been a pleasure to ride and grift with you, and stuff like that. I love you, farewell. Oh Hakaway. K-O-Ha. Fele. Ohame. Maha. Kile. Ome. There we go. They are sending the girl away. Blood will be shed. Oh hey. She's really pretty. Under normal circumstances I would have tried to get off with her, you bet your ass. Touching story, Chris, really. But would you mind telling us another time? We don't want to provoke these men. Oh well, I'm afraid there will be no other time, my beloved brothers. Very sad actually. I would have asked Carol if she would like to marry me. First thing tomorrow night, yet even before the jailbreak. Aha, listen to this, Anthony in love. We will take you up on that, tomorrow. Hey, this is not the end. Aha, I guess this is the tribe leader. Hey, very impressive. Feral pony, my friend. Big brave bear. My friend, and lifesaver. I just can't believe it. Thank heaven. Whoa, they scared the shit out of me. Did you hear that, Ian? Feral pony. Hey, that sounds interesting. Oh, I see, the three of you had a tough time, really tough. Especially Chris. Attack, arrest, jailbreak. And to cap it all, my granddaughter. She likes you, so she caught you. It's that simple.
Hey, you know our grandpa is outspoken. Aside from that, that's just simply not done, little sister.
Seriously? She said that? Of course not. I know that, I know her.
Oh no, he has a pained expression on his face. I guess he's annoyed.
As regards this woman Carol, my oldest granddaughter has a love affair with the sheriff. We try to broker a deal that's manageable.
Oh grandpa, how do you know that?
Well, because I'm able and willing to conduct negotiations with Alex. After all, in terms of negotiations, I'm the best.
I mean, how do you know that from time to time?
That you have a romantic relationship with the sheriff. I'm your granddad. Oh well, you know we are most wanted, and Carol shot her husband. I'm afraid a jailbreak is the only game in town, big brave bear. It will be okay, we will work it out somehow as always.
What's the meaning of your name, Ian?
The meaning of my name? Oh, I'm afraid my name means nothing. Don't be so sure. Probably dancing with guns or hell for leather or something like that. Yeah, great.
Ian kawe ho hamake. Le olahio we ha. Ho kawa malale. Fra ma komas sole. Ho kawa. Ma so ioi leli. Kiwa. Ohomi haake.
Oh, what did she say? Oh, it's not that important. All right. I see. No, sounds momentous for me. Blossom, please.
Joy thinks that Ian means precious jewel, because of your sapphire blue eyes and your shiny golden colored hair.
Wow, what a compliment, Ian. A compliment? You really think? Oh, come now, what else? Oh brother, you are too far gone to take a compliment. And now, it's your turn? Are you through?
Oh no, Grumpy Bear, I also need to mention that blue's Joy's favorite color. For instance, all her near and dear things are blue, as you can see.
Woo, and that sounds like a declaration of love to me, my brother. Ho haka wo ke ole. No me ole, ke ova ma ole hoka.
Oh hey kawame. So fre kiwa. Homika so le awa. Okame, ola.
K. Ho. Ho kawaha. Le ahei soa. Kawashi le kime. Naho. Fre la ohaho. Quo. Wo haka me o le hawa. No o haka ki. Leo.